How to convert normal video to Ghibli video. Start by opening Pix first on your device. You can download it from App Store or Play Store. Sign up for free credits. To convert into Ghibli-style video, you need to generate the Ghibli-style picture first. If you don't know how to do so, check our video on that topic. Now tap on Image to Video at top. Select the image. Now paste the prompt given in the description box below. To generate the video, you will need 30 credits. Now tap on Create. Then wait for the video to be generated. This step might take some time, so be patient. To save the video, tap on the download icon at the top. As the trend of AI-generated art grows, the demand for resources to support it also grows, which could worsen the environmental impact over time. While AI has its creative benefits, it's important to recognize the hidden effects to the environment that comes with its widespread use.